the principles of modern architecture.
Tune in Friday at 9.
The National Weather Service in Boise has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Boise County, northeastern Elmore County, until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:55 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a large severe thunderstorm was centered over Thorn Creek Summit, or 7 miles southeast of Idaho City, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Idaho City and Thorn Creek Summit around 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Barber Flat Guard stationed around 7:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Graham Guard stationed around 7:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Grand Jean around 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. When safe to do so, please relay storm reports to the National Weather Service in Boise via local law enforcement or National Weather Service Boise Facebook and Twitter accounts. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Idaho, Boise, and Elmore.
Or very late at night.
Summer temperatures in Athens regularly top 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Climate change will drive them up even further.